Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, to the Blush Show with another video today. And today I want to talk about interactive brokers. I just got on here and I just want to give y'all my first impressions on how I'm feeling about the platform. Do I like it? Do I hate it? This is my first day on here. Um, and to be honest, it's not that bad. It's all right. Um, what I saw from the platform, getting on what you need to be aware of. The reason why I switched over is because I was on CMEG. It was super expensive. I was paying commissions. It was like $3 commissions for every trade, and then it was a shorting fee for the short locates, like $25, and then it had a monthly fee on top of that, and it really started to add up based on the stocks I was trading. I was trading low float names on the short side, and it was just getting very expensive. So I ended up switching over to interactive brokers. I also did say I wanted to do Centerpoint Securities. I am going to give them a try as well, but I wanted to hop on interactive brokers because they said it was a really good broker. So from what I saw on here, there's no commissions. I'm on the light platform. I am going to transfer over to the pro, but the light platform has no commissions. You're going to be paying. It has a lot of shorts available, and that's the issue I was having on CMEG. I'll be constantly buying shares because they did not have them available. But with this platform, it looks like they have a lot of the stocks that I like to trade available, which is a plus for me, which is going to be great. And on top of that, they are on American soil, so you don't have to worry about your money getting lost. That was a big issue I was a little nervous with on CMEG trading from taking my money all the way to Trinidad and Tobago. Like, if some custody laws or something goes wrong, your money's gone, like that's it. Like, America can't help you anymore. So it's good to be on American soil. The downside about this, if you are under 25K, you can't trade multiple days on this broker. You're going to be under the PDT rule, so just be aware of that. For people that are trying to get around the PDT rule, honestly, your best bet is probably CMEG. It's sad to say because it's just so expensive, but it's probably either CMEG or it was this $1 commission broker, U Stock Trade. That's what it was called. It's called U Stock Trade. If you want to go check them out, they're pretty decent too. But really, it's not a lot of options if you're trying to day trade under 25K anymore. A lot of those brokers have gone out of business. It was back when like Sure Trader was around, F1 Trade was around. Those are the good days for trading, man. But really, CMEX is going to be your best option. But right now, interactive brokers, I like it. It kind of reminds me of like a TD Ameritrade in a way, the how they have it set up. They don't have as many like mutual funds, and like it's not like a full service broker like Fidelity and TD, but it reminds me of TD in a sense, how the platform looks, how you get on the website desktop. Let me give you all a look exactly what I'm talking about. I'm on here now. So as you can see, it's like you could see portfolio, trade, research, transfer, and pay, and all that good stuff. And this is what I have on there right now. I really don't care. It's $200. I'm gonna test it out. I really want to see what it's about, give it a feel, and then decide if I really want to be on here long term. One thing I do like though, you're able to transfer money instantly. So that $200 that I put in there, I literally put that in and they immediately credit into your brokerage account. It's kind of like, I think Robinhood also does that. TD, I don't think TD doesn't do that, but it's a handful of brokers out there that do that. And it's really nice to see that you can immediately have money in there and just transfer it over. I don't know if there's a specific limit on it. Maybe it's like $1,000 limit or $10,000 limit or something like that, where they need to verify that the money is there. Usually that's how a lot of banks work. They'll have like a limit and then you wait for the money to come in and then you can actually use it. But we'll see. I'll give that a try and see what the limit is on that as well. But overall, I like the platform. It's really informative. They have news on the side where you can see. It's a basic login, like a web-based platform, and you also can see where like your charts are. The charts are pretty nice. You have your level 2, you have your time and sales, and that's really all I need in a broker. Give me my level 2, my time and sales. with a smooth transition. I don't need something super choppy. I know some brokers, TD's a little choppy, Fidelity's a little choppy on their level 2. But if you can give me some smooth charts, some smooth level 2, I'm good. I can trade with that. But I'm liking it so far. I'm liking what I'm seeing. It's a really nice broker overall. I am going to give y'all like a more in-depth version of the broker once I get on here. I'm looking at it a little bit more. I execute a little bit more trades, stuff like that, so I can really see what this thing is about. Because this day one, just trying to figure it out, trying to see what this thing is about on this platform. But overall, I really like it. I like the style of it. Oh, and the customer service is like you got to call like 3 or 4 numbers to get in contact with somebody. I don't like that. I was having issues logging in originally, and you Google the Interactive Broker phone number, and then you call them, and then it takes you to like some voice thing, and then it says call this number, and then call that number. It's a pain. And the little chat box, they just take you to some like generic questions. Maybe it's because I was doing it during the closing hours of the market. I don't know, but I'm not a big fan of that. I'm used to TD. You can just call them anytime, and they'll answer your question. You'll get a live person. But just be aware that if you have run into any major issues, they are going to do that to you. But that's my assessment of my first day on Interactive Broker. If you want to see more of what happened with my trading account, with like my experience with the broker as I get a little bit more experience with it, let me know down in the comment section down below, and I will put a video out of, I don't know, my first week trading on here, or my first month, or if I love it or hate it long term, or am I going somewhere else, whatever. We'll make a video on that. But let me know down in the comment section down below. Spam the like button, and also sub down below for more content. And it's going to be it. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga blessed.